Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make mushroom boiled egg paratha. Generally paratha comes in different variations and combination. Here I've used mushroom with boiled egg, and it not only gives the protein benefit but also the fiber goodness from the wheat dough. So do try this, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this mushroom boiled egg paratha. Mushroom boiled egg paratha, first I'm going to add butter for making the stuffing. Once the butter is melted, add garlic, add mushroom, add mint and coriander, add salt, add one grated egg, pinch of turmeric, green chili powder, garam masala. Add little lemon juice. The stuffing is ready, and now we shall make the parathas. I'm going to take this chapati dough. Parathas are rolled, and now we will fry these. Once the pan is hot, so here the mushroom boiled egg paratha is ready, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes.